So, did you also want to change your boring Google Chrome into this? Don't worry, it's easy. The only thing you need to do is not skip any part of the video. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Web Store and search for Motionlabs. I also provided the link in the description. Then, click on Add to Chrome. After this, open a new tab, and now you can see the extension is applied. Next, look for the option in the lower left corner named Videos. Click on it, then click on Add Your Own Video and choose your video. Now you can see your video is applied. To make your Chrome look clean and professional, again look at the lower left corner. You will see an option called Settings. I prefer to uncheck all the options as it makes your Google Chrome look clean. Then, go to Google Settings, then to Appearance, and choose Dark Mode. Now your desktop looks cleaner and more professional. For good live wallpapers, you can also visit websites like Pinterest or Pexels. If you like the video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it motivates me to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching until the end.